Owners of dropshipping stores benefit by keeping a certain percentage of each sale. That is why many individuals claim that dropshipping has a poor profit margin. However, this is only true if you are dropshipping low-ticket items. These are the cheaper items, which often cost less than $200. And when the price falls, so does the profit margin. So how can you increase your profit? You guessed it, by searching for big-price dropshipping items or things that cost more than $200. This is why, in this video, we've collected a list of 15 high-ticket items that you can start dropshipping right away to start making big profits. Let's get right into it. 3D printer. The market of 3 Dominican pesos printers has seen substantial success and growth over the years. Global value of 3D printing activities is expected to reach $55.8 billion by 2027, with the compound annual growth rate being an aggressive 23.0%. Given the numbers above, it's safe to say that this is the perfect time to start dropshipping 3D printers. Entry-level 3 Dominican pesos printers cost around $200, $500, while high-end printers can range from $1,500 to even $6,000. All in all, there's plenty of room for profit if you can solidify your place in the market. Golf simulators. Golf simulators vary in cost depending on their types, with the prices generally starting from $500. However, golfers wouldn't think twice before purchasing this product. Besides, it also packs a promising upsell potential, so it's easy to expand your business. The only drawback is that finding suppliers for this product is a bit difficult. But if you succeed, the competition is low and it would be easier for you to penetrate the market. Camera drones. The drone industry is estimated to reach $63.6 billion by 2025. Nowadays, they are often used by photographers in weddings and other events. The price of camera drones starts at around $300 and can go up to thousands of dollars depending on the quality. So now is the time to get your feet wet by diving into this market. Cat. Tower Condo. Cats are one of the most domesticated animals in the world, with 25.4% of US households having one. So a cat tower condo is a great addition to the list of high-ticket dropshipping products. But keep in mind that, similar to other products on this list, you can also find condos at cheaper prices with lesser quality. With the love that most people around the world share for cats, dropshipping a cat tower condo is one of the safest options on this list. Queen-size bed. Without a doubt, this is one of the most expensive high-ticket products on our list. Although dropshipping a queen-size bed can be difficult, the profit you'll generate from each sale makes it more than worth it. The average price of a budget queen-size bed starts from $600. And a mid-range bed can easily go above $1,000. So let's say the revenue you generate from each sale is $800. If you keep a margin of 20% on that, then the profit you'll make each sale is $160. Not too shabby even if you're closing one sale every other day. Electric bicycles. Electric bicycles are booming in popularity, especially in Europe and China. The reason for their growing demand is that not only are they environmentally friendly, but also save you money on fuel. If you're planning to drop ship them, then know that an entry-level electric bike starts from $600. But most people know that quality bikes start at $1,000, so they are willing to pay more. DIY garden shed. There are companies that sell ready-to-assemble home garden sheds. Not completely a DIY project, but people are surely going to enjoy purchasing because it's cheaper. Depending on the wood it is made from, the cost of a garden shed typically starts from $600, and the installation service can further charge $100 to $150. This often compels people to buy these assemble-at-home garden sheds. Camping tents. Who doesn't like exploring the great outdoors? And for that, including a camping tent is a must on a camper's checklist. The price of camping tents depends on a variety of factors, including their capacity, quality of material, and weight. A 4 to 6 person tent can cost anywhere from $50 to $400, making it suitable for both low-ticket and high-ticket dropshipping. And in comparison to electronics and other fragile products, Camping tents are also less risky to dropship. Campers prefer carrying lighter and portable products, so dropship tents that meet these requirements. Swimming pool cover. People spend thousands of dollars to build a swimming pool. It's only natural that they would want to keep it clean and safe from debris. Depending on the material the cover is made from, its cost can range from $100 to a whopping $3,800. So by any means, it isn't a cheap investment. If you're planning to dropship this high-ticket product, then we'd recommend targeting the Australian market. At least 13% of Australian households have a swimming pool, so the demand for swimming pool covers is also higher. Home theater equipment. Setting up a home theater can also cost a hefty amount of money. The lighting, sound system, projector, and other gadgets can add up to a minimum of $4,000. But it is a one-time investment, so people are willing to make it. This is why if you can find quality home theater equipment, then it isn't a bad idea to consider dropshipping it. Remote control cars. Popular among kids, you'd find remote control cars and monster trucks for as little as $50 and as high as $800. It all depends on the quality, material, and of course, how cool the design is. But since you're looking for high-ticket products, don't settle for those cheap and fragile RC cars that are being sold by most stores. Check reviews of different RC cars online. Spend your time to find a reliable supplier, take samples, and only then start dropshipping this product. Car roof rack. Car roof racks can come in handy for avid travelers and transportation service providers. The starting price for roof racks is about $150, while top-of-the-line racks can go up to $500. Aside from being a high profit, it is also a low-risk product as people often purchase it for everyday use. Massage chairs. Sitting in the same position for hours can have adverse effects on our health. And since most people don't like exercising, massage chairs are becoming their go-to option. The prices of massage chairs can range from $150 to $4,000, while some of them can go up to $15,000. But considering the physical relief they offer, people are willing to pay the price. So although challenging, if you can manage to dropship this product, then you can easily make some big bucks. Massage tables. Quality massage tables are difficult to find, so they're high in demand among both businesses and consumers. According to Google Trends, France has the highest number of search queries for massage tables. So if you're planning to dropship this product, then you now know your destination. Perhaps you could create a package and sell massage tables along with massage chairs to fully target this niche. Electric fireplace. Electric fireplace are in style and are becoming popular inside smart houses. An electric fireplace is safer than a conventional one as it doesn't emit smoke. It is also easier to use and requires lesser maintenance. It costs around $700 on average. We recommend dropshipping it in countries with colder climates, like the UK. Final thoughts. If you play your cards right, high-ticket product dropshipping can generate a huge amount of monthly profit. That's 2.5 the effort you'd put in a traditional dropshipping store. But we only recommend jumping onto it if you're confident and have a solid plan ready to be executed. So spend your time on the product research phase and lay out a marketing strategy. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like this video or subscribe to this channel.